here we are back to the Texas blizzard of 2017. As you can see here, I built my snowman, my little snowman here. I have a big nose and big long skinny arms because he doesn't go to the gym. He needs to go to the gym a little more to get muscles in these branches arms of my snowman. It's 2017 right now, December 8th, 2017, and we are enjoying this. Also, you can see back there, all of my coworkers are there, having fun in the snow. Back there, making more snowmen, and back there, making more snowmen. Woo! It's snowing in South Texas. Woo! Snowing. Snowing.
It's recording.
Okay, here I'm ready in South Texas blizzard, fighting the snow against one man against one pile of snow. Come on, ready? Oh no! Man, I got defeated by snow! Hey.
Round 2, fight!
Oh, damn!
Yeah.
You got right at the.
It wasn't recording.
I thought you left the recording.
What? He wasn't recording.
I thought you left the recording.